Hello and welcome back. In this lesson, we're going to install the Windows Server 2019 in a virtual computer. First, we're going to start by creating the virtual computer, virtual box here, and then we're going to proceed installing the operating system. We click on New, and then select this option. Let's say it's a window. I'm gonna call this server AD, and I'm going to change this value to reflect the most closer operating system. I think this version is the latest one, so yes, I'm gonna pick this one, Windows Server 2019. Click Next. In the memory, I'm going to select for this computer 8,000 megabytes. I'm going to create a hard drive. Select the VirtualBox image. I'm gonna leave this, for the sake of this video, I'm gonna fix it as I'm gonna leave this as a fixed size. And the hard drive, I'm going to select gigabytes.